Beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be doing a baby oral hygiene routine. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming by. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you're notified every time I post a video. So if you guys have been here for a while, you guys know that I did a toddler oral hygiene routine about a couple of weeks ago, showing Maddie's routine as far as how she brushes her teeth, how she swishes and takes care of her teeth. So now that baby boy has teeth now, it is important that we make sure that we incorporate a hygiene routine for him as well. He is eating foods, he is eating solids, and sometimes those things could contain sugars and all that, and so you don't want any, we don't want any germs or sweets or anything to be left on his teeth to cause cavities and all that. So now that he has 4 chompers with 1 already on the way, so that means he's gonna have 5 soon. Pray for my nipples, y'all. We have to make sure that we brush his teeth and make sure his teeth are clean. I'm going to show you what we use, how we do it. So this is for anyone out there who is in need of, how to figure out what to use, how to, brush your baby's teeth without them going crazy and all that. So I hope this is really helpful, and without any further ado, let's get it. So what we did with Maddie is the same routine with Tristan. Both of them had like milk and stuff on their tongue. It was like really white. Their tongues were really white. So we would use this. This is a tongue/gum cleaner. So all you do is just put it on your finger. It's made out of rubber, but it's really soft and it's really gentle. So you could put water on there, or you can just let their slobber, get the tongues wet, and then all you do is just scrub the tongue. And also on the back it has these rib parts, and this is just to keep it, keep it from harming their mouth. So you just take it and they're open their mouth, and you just clean their tongue. If possible, try to get them to stick their tongue out, just so that way you're not sticking your finger down their throat, because that will make them gag, and you don't want them problems. You don't want them problems. Get it as clean as possible, or if you don't want to just use it as a tongue cleaner, it's a gum cleaner as well. So you just take it and you just rub it against their gums, and you rub it gently. Get up there, up there, up there. Is that tickle? I think he likes that a little bit too much. Once you're done, just rinse it off. Make sure you get any germs and stuff off. So it comes with this container, but you want to make sure that you dry this off first, because if you do not, it will leave mold and stuff like that. So it's not healthy or sanitary for babies' mouths, okay? Once it's nice and dry, you put it right back in the container, and it's good to go. So we use the baby oral gel. You guys know that they have oral gel for babies who are teething and all that. So they also have a teeth and gum cleanser. So this is the bright and banana apple flavor, and it has Elmo on it. So it's clear and it's free of any dyes, any parabens. So you just grab a toothbrush. I know, you'll get it back, bub. Put a little bit on there. You don't have to put a lot. And then brush your teeth. Cheese, say cheese. So he has his little 2 up here. Cheese. He's just, okay, hold on a second. He's just trying to, I think he's trying to eat the toothpaste. So all you do is just scrub, scrub, scrub. Here. Scrub the teeth. Make sure you get any bacteria and germs off of their teeth. And also, you can clean their gums to get anything that may be left on their gums.
Tongue, tongue. Tongue.
This is silly. Okay. So in this case, you don't have to rinse. It's safe for them to keep it in their mouth. So I like to just take a rag and just wipe it out of his mouth, just so that way it's not in there. Tristan. Just take a rag, kind of wipe off everything out of there. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Obviously he loves the toothbrush, and That's a good thing because at least we'll know he likes to brush his teeth. So I hope that was helpful. So let me know down below what you do for your routine or what you have done when you used to do this for your routine. And I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.